Okay, first off, I just want to say my first live stream was a success, at least in my opinion. The reason why it was successful is because Brandon over at EDM, Everyday Minimalist, took the time out of his live stream to chime into mine and bring the whole team EDM over, and man, was it so awesome. But just wanted to give you guys an update of the gear haul that I got from unboxing in my live stream that I did that day. So starting off with these Knucks right here. These Knucks were from Tarik over at AFK 3D. He 3D prints these Knucks here, and they're very cool, very nice in hand. And what I did was, there's 3 different ones. So there's this one right here, there's this one, and then this one's a little bit more rounded on that top. I got these 3 Knucks from him, and it comes with a lanyard hole where you can put this right here. And these are beads that are made by Bladestop. He also is a seller on Etsy. You can catch him on there, but he does all of these himself, creates the beads himself. He had this one right here, which I can customize and put on either another knuck, a knife, a wallet maybe. So many things that you can add this bead to. Very nice. This one right here actually glows in the dark. It was tripping me out at night. This one right here glows in the dark. This is probably my favorite out of all of them, to be honest with you. This is really sweet. Can't wait to hook this onto something. And then this is the last one right here that he also made. But look at this stitching and the weaving that he put into this. I mean, that's some talented stuff right there, guys. You gotta check him out. So that's Chris over at Bladestop. And then this is Tarik with the Knucks over at AFK 3D. Next is going to be this right here. This is from Liquidcarry, Liquid EDC. You can also find them on Etsy. Quinn is actually the person who helped me out with this. Sent me this really nice wallet, which you can unscrew these bolts right here, and then you can add your own keys. That way you can flip them out like so on either side. This one stays in there. This is where you can attach maybe one of these lanyards if you want to, and that's where you can put that there. It holds your cards very nice and neat. Hold your keys, any multi-tools that you want to add on there as well, which he added this key organizer for, which is very nice. Look how minimalistic that is. I mean, I'm using the key bar right now, and it's the aluminum key bar, but that thing is a bit heavy. This is super light. Like, I love this thing. And I can also put my keys on here, put my keys on here. I like the easy access where you can just flip on this side, or if you have it on this side, you can flip that way. There's also a little key ring here where you can probably attach this bullet magnet that he included. And this is super strong. Like, oh my God, look at that. Boom. Like, almost broke my nail kind of just taking that apart. But that is super sweet. You can maybe hook the 2 on. Oops. You can maybe hook the 2 on like so and have it just like that. And if you need to detach, boom, then you have that on one end, this on the other end, and it's gold. The gold brass bullet. You know me, I love my gold. And then finally, this is from Terrance at Leathertactics. I mean, take a look at this. This is the Prodigy wallet. That right there is the dark brown. Very nice. It can comfortably hold 4 to 6 cards. There's this buckle right here where it gives you easy access. There's a middle section. There's a back section, which opens up just like so. And then there's a front section, which doesn't open up so wide as the back, and you can slide maybe cash or anything in there. This is a top selling wallet, and they range anywhere from $65 upwards to $75. This is another black multicam that he sent me, and the paracord that he put on here is super neat as well. And then this is another camo that he sent me. I really can't wait until these things patina. They are super nice, very quality made. I mean, take a look at them. But that is my gear haul for my unboxing. Wait. Hold on, almost forgot. I also got these. And these are pouches that I also got from Etsy. This is made by Adam over on Etsy. These bags are super neat. I mean, look at this. This is like a parachute material. Has the lining on the outside here. Very nice zippers. We have this pouch, which is very spacious. I did in my live stream. I can put both of my hands in there. Look at that. And then this is another one right here where it's a camo bag. Opens up just like so. Very nice inside. I mean, come on, guys. At this point, you know, why not use it? Why not use it to put my stuff away? And there you go. There you go. Look at that. And I still got more space in there. Uh-huh. Still got more space in there. Okay? Bam. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.